Number porting allows you to switch from Total Wireless to another carrier while keeping your phone number. This process lets you move your existing phone number from Total Wireless to a new provider. The process is governed by FCC regulations, and Total Wireless uses a port-out PIN system for security, introduced in 2023, to authorize the transfer. First, make sure your account is active and in good standing with no outstanding bills over $50. The number should be active for at least 30 days and not involved in any disputes or fraud. The number porting process involves transferring the routing of your number from Total Wireless's network, which uses Verizon infrastructure, to your new carrier's network through the Wireless Number Portability Database. Porting your number from Total Wireless to a new carrier follows these key steps. First, choose your new carrier and sign up for their service. Next, provide your Total Wireless account number and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number to initiate the port with your new carrier. Then, contact Total Wireless through their app, website, or by calling 1-800-867-7183 to get your port-out PIN. Share this PIN with your new carrier to authorize the port. Once initiated, you'll get a confirmation via SMS or email. Your old Total Wireless SIM card will deactivate automatically when the port completes. Finally, test your number on the new network after porting. This process can take from a few hours to several days. Remember to back up your contacts and data beforehand, since they don't transfer automatically. Porting out of Total Wireless is free, though your new carrier might have activation fees. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth number porting process from Total Wireless to your new carrier.